Okay, in this video we'll be going over heavy division shortcuts. Now let's say you're given very large numbers like this to divide and you don't have a calculator. Now you have to find a way around questions like this. So I'll be showing you a method. Now it's not going to give you the exact answer, but it's going to give you a clue of what the exact answer would be. Okay, here we have 153 0794 divided by 31.49 times 10 raised to power 4. So first we're going to expand the denominator. So this is going to give us 1530794 over, we have 31. So it means that you're moving the decimal place, you're moving the decimal point 4 places because you have 4 here. So we go 1 2 3 4. So these empty spaces you fill it up with 0. So at the end we have 1530794 over, we now have 314900. So now the next thing to do is pick out the, like, let's say we go 1 2 3 4 5. You do the same downstairs, 1 2 3 4 5. So now what you have is 15 times 10 raised to power 5 approximately over 3 times 10 raised to power 5. So now this will cancel this. 15 divided by 3, you're going to get 5. So like this is more or less a shortcut to this. Now when you use your calculator, I think the actual answer is 4.8 or so. I think the actual answer is 4.8. So you can see that 4.8 is not quite different from what we got. So instead of killing yourself or not answering a question like this, you can use this shortcut and you'll still get your mark. Okay, let's look at the second question. The second question is 62. We have 64239028 divided by, you have 16127512. okay, so from here we do the same thing again. We move 1 2 3 4 5 6. Check if you can get 6 DPs here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this will now be approximately 64 times 10 raised to power 6 over 16 times 10 raised to power 6. So from here again, this will cancel this. You have 64 over 16. Now 16 into 64 will give you 4. Now I think when you use a calculator, the actual answer is 3.983. You can verify that with your calculator. So you can see that the answer we got is not very far from the actual answer. So this is one way to get around these long division questions. Okay, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.